Welcome to Wins News. I'm your friend and host Amit Roy. Today I want to discuss and tell you about greed, fear, etc. Why you could not make a lot of profit from stock market. So, firstly, may I request you please like me and subscribe me and share my channel. I'm Amit Roy from Wins News. Now, these are very fundamental questions. You see, a lot of people do not understand the psychology behind that. I was seeing a lot of people talking about they became super rich suddenly with tradings. They are sharing the screenshots, and they're also blaming some sort of operators and all. If they're failed. No, first of all, I said in my 30 years journey, I didn't meet operators. I don't need to meet any operators. I did my own work silently, and I'm okay. So I don't blame anybody. Firstly, you must not blame anybody buying stock and thinking that it will grow to enormous proportion like 500%, 20,000%. That doesn't happen. You should be happy with 18%, 15%. That should be a realistic goal. You must be realistic. You must be very, very realistic. And when you buy a stock, you must ask yourself, why I'm buying this stock? Don't do that because others are doing. That's the most stupid thing to do. You must ask yourself why I'm buying this stock. What is my goal behind this? Unless you are very clear about your actions, you'll never make good money. First, you think why I'm buying this stock, what I want to achieve from this stock. Secondly, you must have a financial goal. See, I want to tell you one more thing. I see a lot of people are looking for jobs and they are not getting suitable jobs, maybe. Whatever reason. If they are entering in stock market because they are not doing something, so they think it's an instant money making machine. It will never happen. It will never happen unless you are properly prepared. In and out of the stock market and business. It will not happen. And boys, I want to tell you one more thing. You have to take some slaps in life. You have to pay some fees to this so-called quote-unquote cruel market. Everybody pays. Anyway, that's not the point. I will tell you how you can lessen your, foolish payment to the stock market. Now, firstly, I want to tell you, you must have a plan, very good plan. Unless you have a plan, you can't do that. Write down your plan. Write down your course of action. Before entering into market, you should do some paper trading, mock trading with your friends, or your family member. Best is family member. Don't involve friends. Friends will little bit, dicey matter. I don't like involving friends into business. Friends are friends, business is business. So family members are better. If your brother, sister, you should play with them, mock kind of thing. Remember important stocks name. 50 or 20 stocks name and daily moving, the price, etc. You must know it by yourself. So this is the first game. Now when you prepare from market, you buy a stock and one thing, you practice patience. Practice patience. Don't be restless. Here comes psychology. I'll explain you why psychology is so important. Because unless you have patience, you cannot make money. You see, I'm seeing screenshots. People are telling a lot of rubbish. They're telling they're making 5 crore, 20 crore, 50 crores. I don't think that, just from few 100,000 rupees, you are entering into market and making this kind of money. This is fairy tale. It might happen for 1%, maybe 0.1 fraction, but it doesn't happen. You see the saies guideline and caution. It says 95 to 97% lose money in their in doing daily trading, future and option. These are extremely dangerous. It's like running straight in front of a high velocity train. You will be wiped out before you have any chance to understand. Whatever you do, stop losses and all, but you cannot make money. There is a saying in the United States, whatever you do, how many candles you put in front of a dead horse, it will not win races for you. So buy only good stocks. Buy only good stocks. Buy only good stocks. Learn about the promoters. You can find out about the promoters if there are any financial irregularities, etc., etc. You can find out. So buy only with good stocks and with good reputed companies and with the good management. That's very important. In business there can be ups and downs. So this is very important. How you choose your stock. Now, a lot of people say, other day I was seeing somebody was telling that someone sold father's Hindustan Lever and bought one stock called Pentafor Software. And that was a dicey thing and it went up and it came down to 4 rupees. But first of all, I said, if you sell your Hindustan Lever, you are not qualified to remain in stock market. These kind of stocks are, more expensive than platinums. You must not sell it. You can sell it in the end of your life, but don't sell it. Don't sell Hindustan Lever. I'm not recommending you to buy any stock, but these are kind of things you can see. You see, it is a parent company, Unilever, but it has nothing to do with this kind of stocks, you see, the Indian stock, except they take a lot of royalties. Now, Indian market is growing. Look, I want to tell you, boy, that shampoo. How many Indians do not use shampoo? And small companies are coming up like Mr. Ramdev, etc., etc. But they are not challenging this premium market. Middle class is going up, growing up every day. So many people are coming out of poverty. So imagine what is the impact of stock market. And then I tell you one thing. No, these are the gross macro system, macroeconomics, and you understand it. It's very stable. India is very stable. Now, there is a thing called greed and fear. That's most interesting and most difficult to understand. Greed, you are buying a stock and it's going up. I talked about the boy who Fentapo software. He's going up and up and up and he's buying more. In this case, your strategy should be pyramidal. When it goes up and up and up, you cannot invest all your money in that stock. If you want to invest something, then it should be pyramidal. Pyramidal. Just imagine it going up. So your loss can be lessened. Secondly, Pentafor software, lots and lots of people lost money. And one of my friend, he's a brave man. He used to play cricket with me, And he lost, in those days, 6 lakhs rupees. Imagine if I had a slap like that in my beginning, what I would have done, I don't know. But he's a brave man. He has come back. He made a lot of money. He didn't, he was not a trader, but he was somehow, went into the flow and thought Pentamedia software would make a lot of money for him. And it didn't happen. I would not have done that. I didn't do that. I bought one Pentamedia company thing called Pentamedia Graphics, and luckily I made some money and I sold it. So my horizon was very limited. I didn't trust these companies, frankly speaking. Whatever they think, I don't know. But I didn't trust them. I knew that this kind of bubble cannot last. Everybody is going up and up and up. That is not going to happen. And this party will come down to a crash. And that happened. 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee. 600 rupee stocks. A lot of people burned their finger, a lot of fate, and they left stock market. Now this is the thing, and then there is thing called fear. When it goes down, and this kind of stock, you sell it. You sell it 5% loss, 10% loss, sell it and come out. This kind of stock will never make a comeback. This kind of stock will never make a comeback. You keep Hindustan Lever, ITC, Nestle. If it goes down, you can keep it for some times. You have a chance to recovery, but if this kind of stocks go down into the gutter, they will never come back. So, fear psychosis is like that. In market crashing, nobody is going to the market. And, I talked about greed. So, greed is a very dangerous thing. You must control your greed. There is a thing called balance in life. You have to have balance in my life. That comes from education, seclusion, attitude. You must have a balance in your life. You must have a balance in your life. So, You control your fear. Remain disassociate with the, if you have a long term investor, remain disassociated with this kind of, you know, outside kind of turbulence. Remain calm. You have to, when you are in the market, you have to sit down. And if you have good stocks, you'll come out. It may come down 25%, maximum 30%. Like if it is a big crash like Lehman Brothers type. And a Harshad Mehta type things will not happen. Again, it is not going to happen. So, but look, retail investors are coming out from there and coming out lots of money. FIIs are not that important anymore in Indian market. Look, that's going to happen. See, one more thing I want to tell. Oil price is coming down. Oil price is coming. That's the most important significant thing. That means China is collapsing. That's a big worry for me. So this is these are my perspectives. So if you are buying stock, first of all you see the company. First of all you see about the company. Company. Only good companies, blue chip companies will do well. Spend more money, buy good stock, buy few stocks if you don't have money. Or I will not recommend others to go to mutual funds. But mutual fund, good, if you have moderate money, you can go. The moderate kind of expectation, you can go. But only stocks can give you enormous profit. Only stocks can give you enormous profit. Comparison to other assets. Buy that. Keep on buying. Make a seed every month. You know how the money will come. Money will come from your salary or the other source of income. You save it. Live frugally. Invest all your money in stock market. This is my submission. You're not getting job. You don't jump into the stock market without learning. That's the most dangerous thing. And don't enter into market with borrowed money. Market has a big black hole that will eat you up. These are my humble submissions. Please like me and subscribe me and be smart. Educate yourself. Only educated minds will survive this knowledge economy and this kind of turbulence. And of course, pray to the God. Thank you very much. Patient, please like me and subscribe. Best wishes.